Introducing the Volkswagen Insurance Plan. The only plan you need for uncompromised peace of mind. Once you've experienced the proficiency and attention to details that makes your Volkswagen a Volkswagen, you will want to make sure it is always kept in safe hands. That's why we've created the Volkswagen Insurance Plan, or VIP for short. A tailored accident and repair cover plan that works seamlessly alongside your existing motor insurance. VIP covers all Volkswagen models, old and new, guaranteeing your car will be repaired by Volkswagen trained technicians using only genuine Volkswagen parts. Plus, a dedicated claims manager will be on hand to guide you through the process and to ensure it is as stress-free as possible. In the event that your car has been damaged, you can trust the people who know your model inside out to get it back on the road quickly and safely. At Volkswagen, we make sure to roll out the red carpet for all VIP users. Benefits include roadside assistance with 24-hour emergency towing, certified repairs at Volkswagen authorized body and paint centers, and speedy claim approvals. With Alliance General Insurance and Etica General Takaful as partner panel insurers, VIP guarantees smooth sailing throughout your conventional and Takaful insurance claims. We've got you covered, so drop by your nearest authorized Volkswagen dealership to sign up for VIP or visit our website for more information.
Volkswagen.